Whether it's eating a deliciously prepared meal right in your RV or sitting by a cozy fire on a coy night out on the road, Greystone brings the heat. Our brand of top-of-the-line ranges, cooktops, and microwaves provide that at-home feel in your RV kitchen. Upgrade your vehicle with the best in ranges of all sizes or a versatile cooktop. Want portability? Griddles are great for cooking both inside your rig or out in the wild. With Greystone products, you can take your capabilities up a notch. Large surface, over 250 square inches of cooking area. Durable material, a cast iron cooking surface that lasts. Single dial control. One heat dial controls the heating level. Fast cleanup, drip and crumb trays for the fastest possible cleanup. Easy setup, fast start with connect-disconnect gas hookup. RV pizza, additional pizza oven attachment sold separately. Greystone doesn't stop in the kitchen. Our fireplaces can add a comforting sense of home no matter where your RV takes you. Check out all offerings from Greystone, the leader in RV cooking and comfort.